Hi, this is Petrol Pro. Today we have a 2019 Great Wall Steed, stock number 7151. It's ran from the 2016 to 2021. It has an NBP 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, 5-speed manual transmission. This is the NBP 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The headlight has light sun cracks. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory pneumatic tyre. Front bonnet. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory pneumatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory pneumatic tyre. Right front door, 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight, light sun cracks. Right front 16-inch factory pneumatic tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heat AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Stereo mirror for courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.